So everybody's sleeping, and I'm not trying to wake anyone. So as you can see, I'm in the dark. I'm about to turn on the light. Okay. In here is a mess right now, but it's my working area, so it's not gonna be that tidy. Okay, so this is my head cover, and I went to the dressmaker yesterday to pick up some. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to logo them just like this one. So this is what it looks like, but you can set it different ways. It's so comfortable. So let's show you. So it has this. So if you have your wig and you don't want to tuck it in, that's fine. You can just push it like in like this. You just push it in like this and go to sleep. You don't have to have it hanging. Also, you could also turn it in a headband, so it can wear different ways. Yeah. Okay, so these are green. You know, I was thinking how this color is gonna work, but it will work. The logo, it will work. So I'm gonna put logo on these now. And I also have yellow headbands. I have these too. I have these. I have yellow and couple. So let me put this one on. Comfortable, you see? I feel like I have nothing on. Feel like you have nothing. Just can let it go. The good thing about it, you can fit your wig underneath it, and it's so comfortable. Yeah. So I'm gonna add the logo on these. These are so comfy. I have these too. elastic to squeeze your head. It's so comfy. So comfy. Alright, hold on. So I got my logo for my t-shirt, my large logo. Gotta fix the logo. I do the packaging. They have arrived. These are logos. Now nice. You notice too if I have any ruffles on my shirts. I buy my logos from Ninja Transfer. So these are extra large. These are extra large shirts, so I need a large logo to put on them. This is what it's like. So, let's open one of these. See the size of these? They're gonna be big. So one of these. So you know I can't mess this up. Hold on. Let me turn on the heater. So I'm getting the temperature up on the heaters. I have to steam it first before putting this on, so it gotta be flat and nice. So the logo is a bit too big for the machine. It's a 10 by 10 and the machine is a 10 by 10, so the edges are kind of hanging off. I don't know how to fix that. Anyways, hold on. There it is. It's green on green, so extra large. So this is the red. So see, that's me. I'm gonna keep this one for myself. And this one. Yeah. These two I'm gonna keep for myself. That's the sample. So these are purchased on Amazon. These are some small cups. I so to keep it away from babies. Alright, so what I wanted to do is to use this for this. These are their cans. Let's fold them like this. Do them up. So for this one, hold it nicely. These I'm not putting my logo on it. Put it in so it can fall into place and it can check it out. So I put you guys on pause for a minute. I've been working very hard. So let's show you what I'm doing. So these are my ear cover, head cover. Yeah, have yellow, have white, black, red, green. Yep. So I'm working. Those are t-shirts. Yep. Beautiful, right?